down before you make it. You start to freeze, and so it looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is daylight, and no one's gonna save you from the beast of on strike. You know it's daylight, you're fighting for your life inside a caterpillar. I'm gonna take it tonight.
Darkness falls across the land. The midnight hour is close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood.
I'm gonna take it tonight.
And whosoever shall be found